Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot brand kit assets for campaigns, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate HubSpot brand kit assets for your campaigns, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main dashboard. Select Files from the drop-down menu. In the Files tool, locate the Brand Kit section. Click on Brand Kit to access your brand assets. Here, you will see all the elements of your brand kit, such as logos, colors, and fonts. To authenticate an asset, click on the asset you wish to verify. Ensure that the asset meets your branding guidelines. Look for the green checkmark indicating the asset is officially authenticated. If the green checkmark is absent, review the asset to ensure it aligns with your brand standards. After reviewing, you can either edit the asset or re-upload a compliant version. Once the asset is authenticated, you can use it in your marketing campaigns. Return to the Marketing tab and select Campaigns. This will allow you to create or manage your marketing campaigns. While creating a campaign, look for options to add assets from your brand kit. Select the authenticated assets to maintain brand consistency. This step guarantees that your campaigns remain aligned with your brand identity. After finalizing your campaign, double-check that all elements are properly authenticated. By following these steps, you'll ensure your HubSpot brand kit assets are accurately represented in your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.